Don't walk back that way. Try to stay like right in here. And then when you see the fish right here, you're going to pick up and come this way and pull it into the shore. Head first if you can. And if I just get a shot at him, I'll just take the shot. Keep going. Oh, it's up to shaking, man. All the way to the float. All the way to the tip. All right.
Doing that? He's fucking grabbing. Is he a hatch?
Yeah.
Holy smoke. He's fucking grabbing. Yeah.
There you go.
That's a fucking stuff, dude.
That's a
You
fucking.
take your fucking hand, man.
That was a
Good job.
job.
First ever winner. 14-2.